What's up, YouTube? Today we are keying the lower shock mount portion of my perch pen. So keying means that there's a notch in the lower portion and there's also a notch on the perch pen. So the way this works is it keeps that shock mount in exact position, 90 degrees to the spring. So you have to slide a key up in there. Now the most ridiculous thing is that this tiny little key, companies won't include that, so you have to find it. I went to Ace Hardware and they only had metric, so that's way too big. So I finally found it on Amazon, 12 inches long for an 1/8 by an 1/8, just square key. So all you really need is 1/2 inch per shock. You're going to cut that off. You're going to slide it into this portion of the key. The female portion, I should say. It just settles right in there. And what that's going to do is lock this lower portion at 90 degrees. Then you're going to put your nut back up in there, and that nut's going to push that key into the lowermost position. So you don't want the key to be too long. Just want it to be long enough so it slides up in there. And I'm going to use my 15/16. And what that nut is doing is pushing the key up into there. It's getting tight. It's a nylon locking nut. And there you go. My lower shock mount is fixed at 90 degrees. Because you know the shocks will be fighting against it. Take the shock off and put it on there for you. There we go. And there you have it, YouTube. It's fixed at 90 degrees. It won't bump into the shackle. It keeps that distance there. And that's it. Like and subscribe. Leave your comments below. Check back every week for a new video. And have a great day.